My day was good. My day was good. Alright, very good. And like I'm just appreciative for like my mom, my dad, my sister and stuff. Yeah, it was good. I got a new teacher.
Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you.
What's up, guys? Good morning. First day of school. Look on that, the clothes, shoes, backpack, guys. On this morning, just wake up. I'm cold.
You're cold?
Yeah.
Oh. Come change, huh? Jaja. You see what I'm going? Just a wake up and can't wait me for saying you want me vlog him, you know. But say it in the next video. But I'm tired of this, so show me there. I watch the boy, man. Come vlog him, so. Put that in your pants. Put it in marina in your pants, brother. Open. Yorel. Go on. This boy still don't know if you put marina, deal with marina, you know. Marina for in a pants. And then shirt go over. So that's what you say if you vlog and you that turn your back to the camera, so. Eh? Eh? You never turn your back to the camera, man. Go out near to the camera now, man.
Huh?
Come to near the camera now. Yeah, I'm going to put your clothes on and talk. Come on, you have to rain.
I don't know what's to say. Oh, this really comfortable.
You don't know what to say?
No. You know I'm in a wrong vlog team.
Time that I get ready, you know. So I'm don't get ready, you know. Show me again. You know what I mean? Yeah. That's nothing Vans, you know.
And my Air Maxes too, but the Vans just catch me.
Where for their ear now?
I grab two.
Nothing. Put back to next time your jaw.
Why?
Jaja. So now me know. For you work out for my time 6 o'clock. Drop him at school. Come back. And take a little more, one little more nap. I'm proud of an hour. And then work, Jaja. I have to do this, I know, you know. I need now. I have to change up our lunchtime for go get him. So that's how I go. Opa sacrifices, you know. Coming off wake up, you know, man. Damn. Man, wait. Rameta will come back, come take an hour. And I'm only at 7:30. Before around. Why am I here? From 6 o'clock to blouse and skirt. That's pretty up in here, you know. Yeah, man, that's it. The deal is that let me run it right this way. Look good. And use that. And I use that. Daddy? I say look good when you do that. Nice.
What?
That's your hand flipper, man. Take off. Wash that, wipe off. No, do this. Wipe your hand. And then wipe that way I use. On the back where you hold up on it. So less grease on it, you know. Yeah. Got it? Oh God, why? They're good. Yeah, man. Like a fat out thing. I mean, my general. Yes, I'm coming on. I get a view of you, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. See, general are ready for school and no. Yeah. Ready, Daddy? Let's go, boy. Jenna, ready. If I do it, what I say. Jenna, ready for the September morning. But on September, I'm going to go back to school.
Wait, in Jamaica, you go back to school in September?
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's when summer ends.
But New York still.
Hi, Peyton.
New York at September too.
Bye.
Pepe. Good morning.
Bye, Angel.
You ready? You ready? You ready for the first day back?
Yeah.
I'm going over you.
I like your hair.
Thank you.
Yeah, pretty.
Bye, Angel. You too. Ooh, a snake.
I know, right?
Look, it's a snake, man.
I know, I seen it. Is you gonna kill it?
God dang.
This is Nikki.
Oh, another one.
Another one?
Another one.
You know, I'm always getting them by me. Why?
Another one.
I remember I ran out the house.
Yeah, I remember that time.
It's dead. It might be more.
Yeah, for real.
Oh, this is
Do
sad.
you have a Bible?
Hi, y'all.
That's Shantae.
Happy school time.
Wow.
Yeah, you ready? Enjoy your day. Get that brain ready, baby. Don't be top 10 again.
Right.
Have a good day, okay?
Okay.
Boy. Ready.
I don't want to go.
I know. That's the one thing that man. That's the one get ready again, man. By this week, you see? No, by this week, where you find back your friend them and you probably get some new friend and them something there. Alright. So you know when you're ready and you find friend and no, I know I hear, you know. Cause me I tell you, you know. Me I tell you, daddy. Jump out of my slippers, daddy. Yeah, man. In general, say him not ready for school, but that's what I think said. Put it on in my feet. So yeah, go wake me up early. You know that wake me up so early, you know. But if you wake me up
when I'm ready.
yeah, no, but me tell if you wake me up early up this, but I'm tired. Should we say I want to vlog it? I may say alright then. I don't know nothing to wake me up, but don't do that again, man. Yes, sir.
I said I'm back on the premises of this dungeon.
Oh yeah, that's not you know like the school again.
No, I like it.
So yeah, I call the people in place dungeon.
Cause over there, sir.
Where? Which one is it?
T buildings. You see those shed looking things?
Oh, but they got AC though.
Yes.
Okay,
But
so not a problem.
we can't fit.
They can do?
Nothing. Bye.
Bye bye. See you later, daddy.
Good.
Good, welcome back. You know the password.
What's up, guys? So, as you know, first day of school today. Hold on, let me get some lighting. So, first day of school was today. I'm back home, and my day was good. My day was good. All right, very good. And like, I'm just appreciative for like my mom, my dad, my sister, and stuff. Yeah, it was good. I got a new teacher. Like, of course I'm gonna get a new teacher because I'm in a new grade. But I'm talking about like a teacher that's new to the school. So, yeah. Like I was saying, I had a good day. And that's all I really just wanted to say. So, boom.